My name is Pratham, branch first year EC, startup company Mangalore, Gramina Products, product present name, engine, product proposed name, Viridian engine. Empathizing, mention some of the requirement and feeling about the product as it said by the customers during empathizing activity. Advanced engine with customized sounds, refined and reliable engine. It should be lightweight and low cost. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product name engine, futuristic product name Meridian engine. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Computer aided design and metal and alloys, plastic and composites, fuel system and cooling system. In prototyping stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.